Join me as I set a bold money goal for 2026 and challenge myself to stick to it. As we dive into a new year, it's that time when we think about fresh starts and new goals. Setting a money goal for 2026 can be a game changer for your financial health. It's about taking control of your finances and making intentional decisions that align with your dreams. Whether it's saving for a big purchase, paying off debt, or building your savings, having a clear goal in mind can help guide your financial decisions. One of the biggest hurdles people face when setting financial goals is a lack of clarity. You might know you want to save money, but what does that look like in concrete terms? Is it saving for a down payment on a house, or paying off your credit card debt? Without a clear picture, it's easy to get discouraged. Another challenge is staying motivated. It's easy to get excited about a goal at the beginning of the year, but as time goes on, that excitement can wear off. Life gets in the way, and before you know it, you're back to your old spending habits. Lack of motivation can stem from not tracking progress or not celebrating small wins along the way. It's easy to feel like you're not making headway, especially if you're not seeing immediate results. And then there's the fear of failure. What if you set a goal and can't stick to it? What if you slip up and feel like you failed? It's a vicious cycle that can keep you from even setting a goal in the first place. To avoid these challenges, it's essential to set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This way, you'll have a clear roadmap to follow. For example, instead of saying I want to save money, you could say I want to save $10,000 for a down payment on a house by the end of 2026. This goal is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant to your dreams of homeownership, and time-bound. There are many types of money goals you can set for 2026. You might want to focus on saving for retirement, building an emergency fund, or paying off high-interest debt. Maybe you've been eyeing a big purchase, like a car or a vacation home. Whatever your goal, it's crucial to define it clearly and make a plan to achieve it. This might involve creating a budget, automating your savings, or finding ways to increase your income. I'll never forget the moment I set my first big financial goal. I was determined to pay off my student loans, and I created a plan to do it within a specific time frame. It wasn't easy, but I stayed focused and motivated by tracking my progress and celebrating small victories along the way. And when I finally made that last payment, the feeling of relief and accomplishment was incredible. It was a pivotal moment that showed me the power of setting and achieving a financial goal. Having a clear money goal for 2026 can shape your financial decisions today. It can help you prioritize your spending, make smart investment choices, and avoid debt. So, take some time to reflect on what you want to achieve with your finances in 2026. What's your bold money goal? If you're ready to take control of your finances and set a bold money goal for 2026, I'd love to hear about it. Share your goals in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and strategies on managing your money and achieving your financial dreams.